Welcome to the Superhero Quiz Challenge. Let's see how powerful your knowledge really is. Question 1. What is Iron Man's real name? A. Steve Rogers, B. Tony Stark, C. Bruce Wayne, or D. Peter Parker? The correct answer is B. Tony Stark. Question 2. Superman came from which planet? A. Krypton, B. Mars, C. Saturn, or D. Earth 2? The right answer is A. Krypton. Question 3. What's the name of Thor's hammer? A. Stormbreaker, B. Mjolnir, C. Excalibur, or D. Gungnir? You got it! It's B. Mjolnir. Question 4. Black Panther is the king of which nation? A. Atlantis, B. Wakanda, C. Asgard, or D. Latveria? Correct. The answer is B. Wakanda. Question 5. What's the name of Batman's loyal butler? A. Alfred, B. Jarvis, C. Gordon, or D. Howard? Of course, it's A. Alfred. So, how many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more superhero quizzes.